There is a fear of profit booking, which clearly is going to be having impact on markets today. And the first rates on your screen Wednesday morning, they are trickling in. Dr. Reddy is absolutely flat, 1 rupee down for Dr. Reddy. But what I want to first point out is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank single-handedly yesterday took the markets higher in terms of what it did to the bank Nifty yesterday. So ICICI Bank has added another 2 rupees. Now IT this week has really prevented the market from a free fall, and 25 rupees or another 25 rupees higher for TCS after that large news flow. Infosys seems to be nudging higher. HCL Tech numbers are due on 19th, ahead of numbers, that is also trending up very smartly. And then you got Tech Mahindra, which is at 560 rupees, along with Wipro, which is standing tall at 331. Gati, big block there, 152 rupees for Gati, up by about 2.5% right now. Then you got IDFC Bank, which sold off. Capital First, that one also sold off. I want to mark Karnataka Bank and Federal Bank. Federal Bank numbers were not all that great, but markets yesterday were in a mood to correct. And we saw Karnataka Bank and Federal Bank, they both also corrected. PSU banks, bond yields are spiking higher. That is a concern for large PSU banks, which get large part of the income or have got large part of the gains because of treasury gains. And none of the PSU banks are off to a great start. So I have to say that the Nifty picture because of IT is not looking all that tarnished, bad or scary, but you can really find a lot of cracks in the mid-cap space, which I think would be the sore point today.
Yeah, that seems to be the case. But you know, in all reality, we're holding on to that 10,700 mark. Even yesterday, post-adjustment, we made it to 10,700. And today as well, as feeble a start as it may be, these are still just about early minutes, but we are holding and circling around the 10,700 level. Seems like the markets are not really in a, or at least the Nifty is not really in a mood to let go of that record level that soon. GAIL, the company is set to commit higher volumes in the reworked Gazprom and LNG deal, so look out for this stock. It's going to be an important one. You've also got Infosys, which has introduced Infosys Business Assurance Store for clients. And also TCS, which has bagged a large order or contract to the tune of about $600 million. So IT continues to be a buzz in today's trading session as well. Some of the other stocks which are in focus, and Reliance Industries has increased its capacity of its SEZ by about 30-odd%. And that's going to substantially add to the barrels per day number. So look out for that. You've also got Golden Tobacco, wherein Pramod Jain has made an open offer for a 25% of Golden Tobacco equity. He's made an offer at about 101 rupees per share along with interest. So look out for this one as well. Symphony, they've launched a series of new air coolers. They've added, in fact, 7 new models to their existing portfolio. So maybe this is going to be another stock in focus. And then Sun Pharma, wherein Ironwood and Allegren have reported a settlement with Sun Pharma. This was a long-drawn dispute that finally seems to be settling. So this is another stock in focus. But I definitely want to revisit Wipro, the big mover from yesterday, HCL Technologies, Infosys, TCS, even some of the mid-cap IT names, the likes of Just Dial, Infibeam, or I should say not mid-cap IT, but constituents of the Nifty IT index, Tata Elxsi, they were all having a field day yesterday. They were all holding up. Let's also check in on what Unilever is up to ahead of its numbers. Also Z and Bharti Infratel. Remember, you've got 3 Nifty numbers coming out today. So they're also going to be in focus. But for now, Tanveer, it looks like a muted start, but we're not seeing those falls, barring, of course, few of the small and mid-cap pockets.